Hear that? This thing is nowhere near as flexible as it was. And the only reason it is as flexible as it is because this back plate can actually move because it's not taped down yet. So once I tape it down, I don't even know if it's gonna flex. I mean, it's gonna flex a little bit, but I don't know if it's gonna be like, you know, even worth it at that point. This is way thicker than I thought it was gonna be. .84, no pressure. I mean, it still technically does flex, but. And this flexibility is actually going to be significantly more. But to keep in mind that this is a 6x6 plate. And so there's only, you know, 6 points of flexibility, whereas the 10x12 is going to have 11 up and down. So the main pieces that are flexing are like probably the middle, I don't know, 4, 3 maybe. So you're going to be getting probably double the amount of flexibility on a full-size plate. And then this flexes somewhat decently. I wish this didn't freaking come apart. I'll have to tape it like this side. Definitely wouldn't say it would conform to you, but I mean, it would slightly conform. I mean, you could fold it to fit, I don't know, between your boobs a little bit better. But that's about it. So yeah, flexibility, like 10%, 20% maybe. Not really functional. The frick? Functionable? Come on, buddy. Functional. I guess you call it like freaking single curved, multi-curved. I don't know. But yeah, I guess really the biggest problem is that it's so thick compared to what we were going for. That and just all the different layers of tape we have on this. So yeah, I'm gonna sew a ballistic nylon pocket that this can go into, so it doesn't freaking fly apart when we shoot it. I'm gonna test ME55A1. If it can stop that, this will be a success, at least on the material portion. I will know that this strike face definitely works and that I didn't waste my money on it. And then all we have to do is just tweak it to get it thinner and a bit more flexible. And then that way, when we do the full-size plate, it will be even more flexible because it's gonna have more points to flex from. And yeah, if it works out how we want it to, then maybe I'll send it to like a YouTuber who can test it a lot better than me, because I can only test 223 or 556 rifle wise. So yeah, probably get them to test 308 threats, and then I don't know, some like random special stuff that I know nothing about. So yeah, it's probably like, I don't even know, 4 pounds or something. Oh shoot, what the heck? Two and a quarter, 2 pounds 4 ounces, 4 3/4 ounces, so really 2 pounds 5 ounces basically, but you can just say 2 pounds 4 ounces. 2 pounds 4 ounces times 4, because we're gonna need 4 to make a 10 by 12. Obviously we're gonna have to cut off 2 inches from the side, but yeah, times 4 is 8 pounds, and then 4 ounces times 4 is a pound. That's 9 pounds, but we'll probably lose, I don't know, 2 pounds on the 2-inch side, and then about half a pound from the shooter's cuts, and then the weight savings cuts probably down at the bottom corners. And so we're looking at maybe like a 7 pound plate, 6.5 pound plate. Which we were going for 6.5, but really we wanted 6, but we'll probably end up getting 7. So that's not the best.